Yo, what's up, Tampa? Your boy Robert here, Platinum Mobile Detailing. You already know, www.platinummobiledetail.com. Y'all see it, all the way live, all the way out here in Miami doing the Forgiato Car Show. Let's go ahead and walk around, give you a little tour of a couple of the cars that we've already knocked out for y'all. Got the orange Lamborghini, very nice, very nice. We got this Phantom. All it needs is some 28s on it, and it'll be real sexy. Yeah, sky's the limit. Now we got all your Dodge, pretty much Challengers and your Camaros, you know what I'm saying? They look hot though, they look nice. It was raining outside, so we had to come inside and knock these cars out. But as you can see, rain or shine, we still got the job done. Can't nobody tell us nothing. Go ahead and check out another couple cars we did. Got over here, Camaro red on red. Look at that baby right there. That's silky sexy. Wow. Real nice. Real nice. Of course, this is a Forgiato Car Show, so every rim has to have Forgiato on it. Don't forget, Forgiato Spade made. Make sure you tune in to our Facebook, Instagram, our Twitter, YouTube. Check out all the shows that we got going on. Of course, we put them up on there for you guys to check out. See, you know what I'm saying? Give you a little imagination of the things that you can do to your car. Got some more cars coming in. It's like it just doesn't end. Like it doesn't want to end. Woo. I don't forgot all about this bad boy. Look at that. Good lordy. See? That's hard top. Look at that. Good lordy. That is sexy. It's $500,000 right there. Just in a car. Look at this SS. Good lordy. I'm telling you, these cars are real nice. Real nice. All souped up, all rimmed out. Of course, systems and all. Banging. More cars arriving, as you can see. Go ahead and pause it out, fellas. I'm going to go ahead and get back to y'all later.